Hey everybody, Joshua Dobson here. Hey, I wanted to bring you a quick update, talk to you a little bit about what's been talked about in the media and something we've discussed at length, and that is forbearance. Understanding forbearance is very important because it will help you decide on whether or not it's something that you should or could do. Now understand this. If your biggest problem right now is shopping and trying to find toilet paper, then forbearance may not be what's right for you. If trying to afford that toilet paper is the big issue when finding it, maybe forbearance is right for you. Understanding forbearance is very important because you need to know what the facts are. Forbearance is simply a deferment. You agree to pay back the number of months in an amount once you've exited the forbearance program. Now, there are several options. Some are better than others, and understanding those options and making sure you're reading the fine print when agreeing to the forbearance is very important. So, one of the big ones that's been going around and one of the biggest ones that scare me is the take 3 months off and pay it back to us on the 4th month. Yep, that's right. You'll have 4 months of payments due once you get out of forbearance. Many of us who are struggling to find work or stay in work and make money may not be able to make enough money to be able to pay that 4 months when we get back to work. Heck, we may even be out of work until that 4 months is up and then not have any money to pay it. So it's important that you understand that this is not necessarily the right way to do it. When talking to your servicer, make sure you talk to them about what your options are because there are several options. Another example would be the forbearance lasting 3 months and you pay back that 3 months that you deferred the payments on a payment plan the 12 months preceding the forbearance. Also, another option is, and this one's specifically right now for FHA loans, HUD is giving us guidance and allows you to go into forbearance for up to 12 months. And at the end of that 12 months, you make your regular payments. And what they've done is they've added the amount that you deferred over the 12 months to the end of the loan, and you're just extending the life of the loan in that regards. Now, the other thing that you have to understand is when you enter into forbearance, you are modifying your loan agreement. And by modifying your loan agreement, you are taking off the table the ability to refinance or purchase with a purchase loan for the foreseeable future. And when I say the foreseeable future, it's different guidelines for different agencies. But to give you an example, if you were to go into forbearance and you wanted to refinance your home at the end of the forbearance to pay back that amount, or you wanted to refinance and lower your interest rate because rates are lower than they've ever been, or in 2021 they're even lower, you won't be able to do that. So the way it works is currently Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac guidelines state that if you enter into a forbearance, you cannot be eligible for a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan the 12 months after you've paid back all the money. So you enter in forbearance, you get 4 months off, you pay it back on a payment plan, you will be 24 months out before you're eligible for financing from Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac because, well, it's going to give you a payment plan for 12 months to pay back the amount that you deferred. And then once it's paid back, you start the clock on 12 months before you can actually get financing. So this is also very important to understand. And it's a reason why I'm asking you to ask and speak to a trusted advisor before you make the decision to go into forbearance, because there are alternatives to a forbearance that can achieve the exact same thing that will not affect your ability to get financing down the road and could help you save even more money in the long run. So if you have the opportunity and you are considering forbearance, please reach out to somebody that you trust that understands financing before you make that decision. Don't be fooled by those people that are saying they're experts, because there are no experts when it comes to this, because COVID-19 is new and none of us have experienced this before. We're all learning as we go. But talk to somebody you trust, because that person will be able to advise you and help you make the right decision for you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.